Hey, welcome to the Rainbow Penguin. Let's make some cute and colorful paper clip clay bookmarks. For this, we will use air dry clay. You can use any air dry clay that is easily available in your area or country. I am using Fevicryl molded for this tutorial. It has a resin base and a hardener. I am using a plastic sheet so the clay doesn't stick to the surface. Now let's mix the resin base and the hardener together. Once done with mixing, we will make a ball out of it and divide the clay. You can now just follow the steps. Making these paper clip clay bookmarks is really easy and a very fun activity for kids as well. Kids and even adults will love this. It's a cute and lovely gifting option as well, because why not? Everyone loves cute handmade gifts, and this one will surely leave a smile on your and your loved one's face. Our first bookmark is a cute pig face. We will fix the paper clip in all the bookmarks while the clay is still soft and seal it properly. Once the clay work is done, let it dry and let's start with the next bookmark. Again, a really cute bookmark. A cute duck with something cute on its head. Can you guess? Also, fixing the clip while the clay is still soft. We will use glue to stick the other parts on clay. All these steps are really easy. Even kids can make this easily. After adding the bill or beak and the feet, let's keep it aside to dry and start with another lovely bookmark. I really love working with clay. It is very relaxing and allows us to take a break from our daily lives and be busy with something creative and new. It can be like meditation because you are focused, but at the same time you are relaxed and in a flowing mood. I have also created a clay bookmark tutorial, which you can check out by visiting to my channel or also through by clicking on the I button above. Also, if you are new to my channel and like my work, then please do consider subscribing. I have uploaded more than 300 tutorials about drawing, painting, craft, DIYs, digital painting, lettering, and so much more related to art until now for both kids and adults, and will keep uploading many more. Please do subscribe and set the notifications button to all so you don't miss on any of my videos. I have created these 3 cute bookmarks which are now dry, but I have also created 2 extra bookmarks with the remaining clay. The last one is a character from an animated movie. Comment down if you know this character. Now let's apply the base coat. I am using white gesso. No worries if you don't have gesso. You can always apply white acrylic as the base coat. I am applying a coat of gesso from both front and back. Once the base coat dries, let's start painting our bookmarks using acrylic colors. Isn't this pig looking cute? Well, there's one more step to complete our bookmark, so please don't skip the video. And here comes my favorite. I really love the character. Comment if you have already guessed it. Now it's time for one last step. Let's seal the colors using varnish. I am using a quick dry gloss varnish because I love the shine. You can also use matte varnish or no varnish at all. But I would suggest using a varnish to protect the color. You can apply one or two coats accordingly. I am applying just a single layer. So this is how our cute, lovely and colorful bookmarks look like. You are now ready to read with your new clay bookmarks or ready to give to your friends and family who love to read. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more creative stuff. Thank you and bye bye.